What if I told you, your bank, your money, and the entire financial system is being quietly replaced right now? No breaking news, no emergency alerts, just silent moves by companies like Visa, Meta, and Western Union. And if you're not paying attention, you'll be behind. We've got stablecoins taking over payments, Bitcoin being hoarded by billionaires, and XRP quietly positioning itself to move global money. Meanwhile, the average person can care less. Yeah, we need to talk. So let's start here. Stablecoins, aka crypto that doesn't act like crypto. Now watch this. Western Union is launching a stablecoin. Korea is testing stablecoin payments. Visa is expanding stablecoin payments globally. Meta is back in the game after that whole Libra disaster. You see the pattern? These aren't crypto startups. These are the same companies that built the old system. And now they're rebuilding it with blockchain. Soon, you won't even know you're using crypto. You'll just tap your card and boom, stablecoin. Now, let's talk about the king. Bitcoin. A Bitcoin-backed Visa card offering $1 million credit lines without selling BTC. Institutions are buying it like it's the last slice of pizza at a party. You've got guys like Michael Saylor stacking Bitcoin like his life depends on it. And here's the scary part. There might not be enough Bitcoin left. Let me say that again. Not enough supply. We're talking massive institutional demand, limited supply, long-term holders not selling. Predictions of a $16 trillion market cap by 2030. That's not a market. That's a pressure cooker. Now here's where things get interesting. While everyone's distracted, XRP continues to expand globally. We're seeing activity in Asia, Europe, Middle East, Africa, and partnerships that scream one thing: infrastructure. Not hype, not memes, infrastructure. Some analysts believe XRP is positioning itself to tap into a $180 trillion market. That's not crypto market cap. That's global liquidity. So ask yourself, why is this happening all at once? Coincidence or coordination? While all this is happening, the traditional system is showing cracks. US stocks just had a record April. Cathie Wood is buying Google and Robinhood. US debt exploding. It now exceeds the size of the economy. CEO pay growing 20x faster than worker wages. Wealth gap getting ridiculous. A K-shaped economy where the rich get richer and everyone else gets vibes. Housing market splitting between single-family versus multifamily stress. Gold potentially heading toward $8,000. Even institutions like Deutsche Bank are warning about de-dollarization. And countries aligned with BRICS, they're building systems that don't rely on the US dollar. Let that sink in. Oh, and just when you thought things couldn't get weirder, a Bitcoin developer is proposing a hard fork to reassign coins linked to Satoshi Nakamoto. Yeah, basically saying, hey, you didn't touch it, we'll take it. That's like finding buried treasure and going, yeah, that's public now. This could spark massive controversy. So here's the reality. This isn't just crypto anymore. This is money, power, control. The system is changing, whether you participate or not. 5 years from now, people are either going to say, I saw it coming, or I wish I paid attention and participated. Which one are you? Not financial advice. Always do your own research and stay updated. If you want real breakdowns like this, no BS, hit that subscribe button. Because history doesn't reward awareness, it rewards action. Because the next phase of finance, it's not coming, it's already here. Peace.